So we have a question on some of our older speakers. How much are my 1999 Finales worth, refoamed ones? That's a very interesting question on an interesting speaker. Finale is a kit or DIY speaker that you would buy, that we made in the 90s, that you would buy and then assemble yourself, basically. So we sold you the drivers and the crossovers so you could build your own speaker. It's a very, very big speaker. This is a 4-way speaker with a 12-inch woofer and a 12-inch radiator, so you would basically be looking at two 12-inch cones on the front. Very, very tall speaker. It's a very interesting speaker. I have not personally heard it, but I have looked at it many times. I would really like to hear that at some point. Most likely still sounds great. Most of our older speakers are still very useful. They don't degrade much over time. He has refoamed the woofers. That means that the foam around the woofers on the old woofers would degrade over time. But on the newer ones where we use rubber surround, that's not really the case. Interestingly, we still have replacement drivers for that speaker. So all of the 5 different driver types that is in this speaker, we can still supply replacement drivers if one of them is damaged. So in case of worth, yes, it's still worth something. I can't tell you how much. I don't follow the second-hand market to tell you in euros or dollars how much money is your speaker worth. But it's definitely still a very useful and very interesting speaker.